Yun, welcome po sa ating YouTube channel. Welcome po. Salamat po sa lahat. Salamat po sa mga bago nating subscribers. Salamat po sa inyong panonood. At kung hindi ka po nakasubscribe sa ating channel, please like, share, and subscribe para po updated ka palagi sa ating mga bagong video ang lalabas. Salamat po. Ako, mainit-init po yung usapan natin ngayon. Ito po ay tungkol doon sa Senate investigation ng human rights. Yan. Ito ay tungkol dun sa sa Committee on Justice and Human Rights na nasa Davao ngayon. At ito ay pinamumunuan ngayon nila Senator Bato de la Rosa, Robin Padilla. Yan, sila ngayon at si Bongo. Nandun sila ngayon sa mga taga Davao. At nandun din ang mga pulis. Si General Torre at ang PNP at ang iba pa mga kasama ng kapulisan. Andun din ang KOJC, yung group, at sila po ay sumasala ngayon sa investigasyon ang mga kapulisan yan. Inimbestigahan yan ito, lalo na yung mga dangerous drugs, nandun lahat. Basta lahat tungkol kay Pastor Kibuloy also, lahat ng mga ginawa simula ng umpisa ng mga kapulisan natin. Okay. Kasama rin sa pulong na ito ay ang DILG. No? Sila sumusuporta rin ng DILG para sa programang ito na ginaganap itong Senate investigation. Sa part naman ng KOJC, si Atty. Torion. Siya naman ang kumakatawan para sa KOJC kay Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Pakinggan natin ito yung opening statement ni Israelito Torres, ang legal counsel ng KOJC. Napakinggan natin.
We're seeing here, actually, Your Honor, is the rape of the 1987 Constitution in the guise of the enforcement of a warrant of arrest.
Yan ang sinasabi niya.
We feel, Your
May
Honor,
warrant of arrest.
That warrant of arrest, the validity of which is still under question before the Court of Appeals. We feel that the same should not be used as a license to violate fundamental rights of citizens, of third persons, not included in the warrant of arrest. In this case, Your Honor, from the get-go, when General Torre allegedly served the warrant of arrest, we already informed him that the warrant he was bringing was only one, that of a person in the name of Sylvia Simanes.
Ito pala ang warrant of arrest nito, galing ng Pasig. So,
with an address in Pasig City. We felt that if he was informed that if he was given that information, he would adjust and look for other copies of the warrant. We know that we may be served with other copies of the warrant, but until now,
iba pa bang copies ng warrant? Isa lang naman yata ang warrant of arrest.
Was used to destroy the rights of individuals. Tear gases were used, and despite the clear evidence to the contrary, PNP denies this. Freedom of religion, where the cathedral itself has been denied usage to the members. The warrant of arrest has likewise been used as a license to conduct random as well as omnibus search to all the properties in the
ginamit ang warrant of arrest para ma-search ang buong properties ng KOJC
into a police garrison where members
sinabi pa na ito ay ginawang garrison ng mga kapulisan,
as well as
pati ang eskwelahan, katedral, lahat.
Numerous rooms located.
Ayan ang mga violation na nagawa ng mga kapulisan.
Honor, we thank you for this opportunity, for giving us a breather. We are hoping and praying earnestly to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that after this hearing, Your Honor, the police or the PNP leadership would realize that indeed they may be serving a warrant of arrest, but in the service of such warrant of arrest, they should bear in mind the fundamental rights likewise of third persons not actually mentioned in the said warrant of arrest. Your Honors, the violations here and the evidences are overwhelming. And we hope, Your Honor,
Maraming mga
that
violation ng
this
mga
can be
kapulisan.
corrected
Kita
soon
naman
as
din sa mga video na pinalalabas
we have
ng
actually
KOJC
presented, Your Honor,
na
a blow-by-blow
sa part ng
accounts of what
KOJC,
transpired
talagang
from August
ang mga kapulisan
24
natin parang
until
umaabuso
today, Your
na.
Honor,
Hindi
where
maganda yung mga
even
pinagagawa
the
sa loob ng
temporary
compound
protection
ng
order which was
KOJC.
lawfully issued by the regional trial court on the third day, this was brazenly violated. The temporary protection order was a clear order, Your Honor, which provided supposed judicial relief to third persons who are not affected by the warrant of arrest. The temporary protection order was directed against the restrictions and control being employed by the PNP, which led to grave violations to the constitutional right of third persons to their right to life, liberty, property, and even security.
Kasi yung lumalabas yung warrant of arrest, parang hindi na, at patungkol lang kay Pastor Kibuloy. Ang problema, parang nadadamay na yung family ng KOJC. Ibig sabihin ng family, ibig sabihin yung KOJC group na yung mga miyembro, nadadamay na sila kasi hindi naman kasama sa warrant yun, pero parang isinasama na sila ng kapulisan sa warrant of arrest.
Security. And that is why they were ordered right away to cease and desist from performing any act or omission that violates the petitioner's rights to life, liberty, or property, and they were ordered
Life, liberty, and property. Property. Ibig sabihin, yung mga property, kasi marami nang sinisira ang kapulisan. Naghuhukay dito, hukay doon. Maraming chine-check na, kumbaga, hindi sila sigurado kung yung ba talagang lugar na yun sinisira nila
ordered to remove any blockade or barrier that may hinder the petitioner's rights to life, liberty, or property.
Katulad nun, yung mga barikada. Di ba? Ang sabi, barikada, alisin lahat ng barikada, any blockage. Pero sa kapulisan, ang ginawa nila, blockage na harang lang ng yung sa tao. Ano pa ang ginagawa nila? Ayaw nilang papasukin yung ibang mga miyembro. Ayaw naman sa kapulisan, pinapapasok daw nila. Pero sa KOJC, sa kanila kitang-kita naman doon sa mga video na hindi nila pinapapasok yung mga miyembro ng KOJC sa family.
But what happened after that, Your Honor, was that the cathedral was likewise barred and cordoned.
Katedral. Yung katedral, binarikadahan. Yung mga kalsada, binarikadahan.
And no member can anymore pray therein.
Kita mo yun. Hindi makapasok, kahit makapagdasal man lang doon sa loob, hindi ka bang makapasok sa loob. Ba't ganun ang kayo mga kapulisan? Dapat hindi ganun, hindi kasama dapat sa pagbabarikada yon.
The JMC school was likewise cordoned.
Pati yung eskwelahan. Paano makakapasok ang mga kabataan yan?
And no student can likewise use the same.
Walang makakapasok. Paano? Binarikadahan nyo, paano makakapasok yan?
By the policemen. And even the lawns and gardens cannot anymore be used by the members despite
ang dami. Pati yung garden na pagtataniman, hindi na rin magamit. Kasama ba naman sa pagbabarikada yon?
Despite of the effectivity of the temporary protection order. We see therefore, Your Honor, here a wanton violation by the police.
May pinakita si Attorney Torion.
And protect.
Pinakita ni Attorney Torion yung mga video, yung mga tawag dito,
of the various
violation ng ating kapulisan
made by the police against the constitutional rights of the members of KOJC and Davaoenos in general, Your Honor.
So you have prepared
Ayan, meron siyang slide na
Yes, Your
ipapakita.
Honor, we have prepared a
Ayan.
presentation, Your Honor, where we will show all the violations committed by the police. You may proceed. Yes, Your Honor, please. This is actually day 1, Your Honor, 3:50 in the morning, August 24.
Day 1 pa lang.
PNP used excessive force.
Hmm.
And they deployed 3,000 PNP personnel, Your Honor.
Ang dami, 3,000 personnel on the first day. Sabi nila 2,000 lang daw. At naging 3,000 na. Talagang mali ang mga magkaiba ang istorya ng dalawang panig. Pero sa KOJC, kitang-kita naman 3,000 personnel ang inilabas ng ating kapulisan.
With truncheons, riot shields, and heavily armored SAF to enforce the warrant of arrest.
Kumpleto pa. Saan ka
And
pa?
the PNP actually at that time surrounded the compound, and several personnel were assigned to secure the following areas. They developed themselves into sectors, Your Honor. We were able to get a copy of that in the cathedral, Your Honor, because some policemen, Your Honor,
Ang dami talagang binarikadahan nila ng kapulisan ang buong compound ng KOJC.
What you call this document,
Hindi naman,
Your Honor.
hindi naman nararapat yung ganung karaming barikadahan. Paano yung mga estudyante? Paano yung mga magsisimba? Paano yung mga taong may mga nakatira sa loob? Paano makapasok? Paano mamumuhay ng maayos kung babarikadahan nyo?
Can see that they were actually divided into 12 sectors. Sector 1, 5 teams of CDMO were deployed just outside the KOJC compound. Sector 2 in Jose Maria College and KOJC Cathedral. Sector 3, Bible School, Open Field Dorm, Publishing House, Small Houses. Sector 4, Mechanical Building, Jasper Wall. Sector 5 is the Kingdom. Sector 6, Q Palace. Sector 7 is the Hangar. Sector 8,
Lahat ng
the
sektor.
empty lot, Your
Lahat ng sektor, binarikadahan nyo na. Ano pa mangyayari dyan sa buong compound na yan? Talaga kayong mga kapulisan,
Honor. Sector 9, engineering houses. Sector 10, stockroom. Sector 11, transportation area. Sector 12, the anatomy or the near taxiway. You can see, Your Honor, the overwhelming excessive force that they have employed in this case.
Attorney,
Yes, Your Honor.
where did you get this?
From them, Your Honor, because they were so careless in the handling of documents. And one document, Your Honor, fell off, and one of the members, I don't know who, was
Meron
able
pang aerial
to
support
secure
drones.
it and gave it to us,
Diba?
Your Honor. At that time, PNP even had aerial support, Your Honor. And
Kumpleto
the
kayo,
next slide
ang
will
PNP
prove that,
kumpleto.
no? Drones were seen flying
From
over
drones,
the excuse-
from land, air, talagang kumpleto ang PNP. Talagang hindi nyo pinakakawalan na ang KOJC,
phase, and even days before that, drones were already
Hindi naman yata tama yan kasi may mga buhay din naman ng mga miyembro ng KOJC at tao rin naman sila at tao rin naman kayo. 'Di ba? Kung sumusunod kayo sa inyong mga superior, PNP, dapat bigyan nyo rin naman ng human rights May rights din naman sila na mamuhay ng mapayapa. Pero mali ang ginagawa nyo na sobra naman kayo. Lahat, eskwelahan, simbahan, pati garden, kukordonan nyo.
flying above us, Your Honor. And the next slide will also show that they have high-tech equipment, long-range acoustic device or LRAD, no? And I actually experienced that when General Torre used that early in the morning where your eardrums were about to explode even after brief exposure. Next slide, please. And
Hold mo na ito.
yes, Your Honor.
I'd like to,
That when General Torre used
Kita mo, lahat kumpleto. Meron pa kayo yung LRAD. Alam nyo ba yon? LRAD, Long Range Acoustic Device.
get the response from General Toro. Is it true that you're using the LRAD?
LRAD. LRAD. Ang ibig sabihin ng LRAD, Long Range Acoustic Devices.
Worship type?
Yan ay yung capable of producing sounds and may cause eardrums to explode even after brief exposure. Ibig sabihin yan, kahit malayo kayo, basta tinutukan kayo ng LRAD, ay yung tenga nyo talagang explode yan. lalo na kung madikit kayo dyan at malapit kayo, sabog ang tenga nyo at meron pa siyang after effect pa na hindi kayo may potensyal na mabingi kayo. Dapat hindi ginagamit ba ng kapulisan yan? Napakasama naman yan.
And habang nagpiprayer sila, sinasabayan daw nyo ng LRAD.
Habang nagpipray, sa dami ng tao mga nagpipray, tapos babanatan nyo ng LRAD. Paano yung mga kabataan? Paano yung mga matatanda? Diba? Alam nyo ba, epekto sa tenga niya, hindi ka makakarinig. Mabibingi ka. Masisira ang eardrum mo sa sabog.
Please,
Ayan, nagpapaliwanag si General Torre.
I kept an open dialogue. And I will not allow
Ayan, sinasabi
such
niya na,
activity to be
sinasabi ni General Torre na hindi naman daw niya pinapayagan na allow na gamitin yung LRAD. Bakit lumabas yung LRAD kung hindi niyo pinapayagan? Pambihira naman kayo.
done if it has been done. But
Ayan, kitang-kita.
that has come to my
Ano
attention.
yung nandiyan sa ibabaw ng ayan o? Nasa ibabaw ng, ano ba yan? Barracks ba yan?
Thank you.
LRAD yan eh.
Yan ang stand mo about that. Dahil, you can just imagine kung ikaw ang nagsisimba sa loob.
Oh,
Kung
ayan.
tirahin ka ng LRAD para sasabog yung tenga mo.
Sabog talaga ang tenga mo.
I can just imagine kung paano nangyari sa'yo.
No, we don't do that, and we will never do that.
Hindi daw nila ginagawa, sabi ni General Torre.
That's baloney, Your Honor. We have so many videotapes.
May mga
and,
videotape ang KOJC na
videos
talagang patunay na ginagamit ng
actual
kapulisan.
footages that would prove that in times of worship and prayer, Your Honor, somebody would put on the LRAD, Your Honor.
Ayan. LRAD, babanatan mo yung habang nagsisimba. Paano yung mga kabataan? Paano yung mga matatanda? Yung mga civilian yun, nagsisimba lang, tapos babanatan mo ng LRAD. Sabugan tayo nga nun. Hina naman kayong mga kapulisan kayo. Marami kayong violation na ginawa. Aminin nyo talaga na marami kayong violation na ginawa dyan sa pag-serve nyo ng warrant of arrest kay Pastor Kibuloy, na ang dami niyong dinadamay na hindi naman dapat madamay, na mga kabataan. Sipin nyo, simbahan, dadasal ang tao. Eskwelahan, papasok ang mga estudyante. Yung garden, magtatanim lang, mga magtatanim garden, babarikadahan nyo. Tapos gagamitan nyo pa ng LRAD, yung magsisimba ka, pakiramdam mo nun, sabugan tenga mo nun ba, pag tinamaan kanyang LRAD na yan. Hindi dapat ginagawa ng mga kapulisan yan. Sana maayos ng PNP yan at makita talaga kung talagang ginagamit nila yung mga violation, yung mga devices na yan. Violation yan ng kapulisan eh. Marami kayong violation, no? Sana mahanap talaga at mabigyan ng hustisya, no? Hindi maganda yan, hindi mali yan ginagawa nyo ng mga kapulisan. Okay? Sige, diyan na lang muna ulit tayo, no? At abangan pa natin ang mga susunod pa mangyayari sa Senate investigation ito na nasa Davao ngayon, no? Maraming pang kasunod ito. At talagang malalaman natin kung talagang mapapatunayan na talagang ang kapulisan natin ay nagkasala. Well, kung hindi ka pa po nakasubscribe sa ating channel, no, please subscribe, like, and share para updated ka sa mga bago nating video. Maraming salamat po sa mga bago po nating miyembro. Thank you very much po. Brad's Air Conditioning po. Kung naghahanap po kayo ng gumagawa po ng inyong aircon at gagawa po ng mga split unit, window unit, meron din po kami mga spare parts po ng inyong air condition unit. Brad's Air Conditioning po, ayan po ang business namin ng brothers ko. Supportahan po natin. At ang atin pong merchandise po, no? Hihiling po yung suporta. Please like our page on Facebook. Ayan, Sportcho. Hanapin po natin sa Facebook ang Sportcho. Meron po tayong bag, shirts, and caps. Ayan. Nagbibigay po ito ng tulong po para sa ating patuloy na paggawa ng mga video dito sa ating channel. Salamat po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Hanggang sa susunod pa pong video. Bye!